Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Fairphone 5 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. First step to take our long screenshot is opening Google Chrome application. In it we must tap on our volume up and power key, volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after we did it, we tap on our capture more, and there we can add more information in creating our long screenshot. It's necessary to open Google Chrome application or setting because there we have more than on one side of screen where we can scroll something, because when you haven't it, we can't take long screenshot. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.